In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear recently played Spotify songs history. First, a quick heads up. Spotify doesn't offer a single clear history button for your recently played list, but you can control what shows up there, remove certain items, and refresh the list using a few built-in options. I'll walk you through each one step by step so you can pick what works best for you. If your goal is to prevent new plays from appearing in the first place, start a private session. Open Spotify, go to Home, tap the settings gear, then choose Privacy and Social. Turn on Private Session. While this is on, anything you listen to won't be saved to your recently played, and your followers won't see your activity. Keep in mind that private session is temporary and may turn off after a while or when you restart the app. So double check the toggle if you want to keep listening privately. If you want to tidy up your list by removing specific entries, you can do that on desktop. Open Spotify on your computer and click Recently Played. Hover over the song, album, or playlist you want to remove. Click the three dots and choose Remove from Recently Played if you see the option. This feature is not available for every item, and it's not on mobile right now, but it's a handy way to clean up obvious one offs or things you don't want lingering in the list. Another effective approach is to push older items out by playing new content. Spotify refreshes your history automatically. So if you listen to different songs, albums, or playlists, the older entries get bumped down and eventually disappear. This is a gradual method, but it's reliable. Queue up a long playlist, explore a few albums you actually like, or let an auto generated radio play for a while to quickly rotate your history with content you're comfortable seeing. Finally, if you want a light reset for your account sessions, you can sign out everywhere. In a web browser, go to your Spotify account settings, click Sign Out Everywhere, then log back in. This can help refresh activity across devices, especially if you've used shared computers or forgot to close a session somewhere else. It won't retroactively erase history, but it can clear lingering sessions that sometimes keep old activity around. That's it. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical Spotify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your listening with a clean up recently played list.